ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पुरुषविद ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 166. So for Prajapati, the Jnanam takes place because the Chitta Shuddhi was done in Purva Janma, Vedanta Shravanam was done in Purva Janma, Pratibandha Nivritti happens in this Janma. For Bhrigu, Mahavakya Shravanam directly is not done, Avantara Vakya and Brahmanaha Tatastha Lakshanam. Through that, Bhrigu gains knowledge. Shvetaketu, on the other hand, everything is required. Chitta Shuddhi Sadhana, Shravana Manana Nididhyasana, all of that. And he gains the knowledge. See Tika now. So Purva Pakshi's doubt was, do we need to have Shraddha? Do we need to have Pranipatadi? Do we need Acharya? Do we need Sannyasa? All of these. Atha प्रणिपातादि व्यतिरेकेण न प्रजापतेरपि ज्ञानम संभवति सामग्री अभावात् अत आह. Somebody says Prajapati, for him jnanam na sambhavati, he cannot have the knowledge. Why? He did not do pranipata, no guru is there, no shraddha is shown, nothing. So samagri abhavat prajapatehe jnanam na sambhavati. भाष्य अधर्मादि निमित्त वियोग हेतुत्वात्. थर्ड लाइन फ्रॉम द बॉटम और थर्ड लाइन फ्रॉम द टॉप. अधर्मादि निमित्त वियोग हेतुत्वात् means what? For Prajapati, adharmadi nimitta, their viyoga is already done. All these pranipatadi, what is their role? They will remove the adharma nimitta papa, what is there? Their elimination is the role of pranipatadi. In case of Prajapati, it is already happened. टीका. प्रणिपातादेहे ज्ञानोदय प्रतिबंधक निवर्तकत्वात् प्रजापतेश्च तन्निवृत्तेः जन्मांतरीय साधन आयत्तत्वात् आधुनिक प्रणिपातादिना विना स्मृतवाक्याद् एव ऐक्यधीः संभवति इत्यर्थः. For Prajapati, case is different. What is the general rule? Pranipatadi are for Jnana Udaya Pratibandhaka Nivartaka. Knowledge which arises, Jnana Udaya, in that there is some Pratibandhaka, because of which knowledge is not arising. So what should I do? Increase your Shraddha, do Pranipata, do Puja, Japa, Sannyasa, all those sadhanas which are given, you should do. do some dana dharma, do some more parayanam, etc. Do some fasting. For Prajapati, Prajapatescha tan nivrittehe. All of these, that pratibandhaka nivritti means papa. That papa nivritti had happened because of janmantariya sadhana ayat tattvat. So lot of sadhana was already done in Purva Janma, because of which lot of papa was gone. Only some pratibandha was remaining, because of which he had to take the birth. Otherwise, he would have realized in the Purva Janma itself. So it didn't happen, which means some obstacle was there. That got eliminated in this Janma because he suffered when that bhaya came. See, bhaya means what? Some dukkha vritti. So he got bhaya. Some suffering came. That is enough. In his case, only that much prarabdha was remaining. That much prarabdha to become dukhi. Now he gains the knowledge. It's over. Janmantariya sadhana ayat tattvat. Adhunika, therefore adhunika means in this janma, even if he didn't do pranipatadi, adhunika pranipatadina vina smrita vakyadeva ikyadhi sambhavati ityartha. From vakya which he just recollects and he understands, oh, I am Brahma, I don't have to worry. Tarhi, there it says 6 number tippani. That 6 number tippani is not on that tarhi. 6 number tippani is on the next tarhi, which is after 2 lines. Instead of tarhi shravanadi vyatirekena api, it is on tarhi shraddhadikam api. There. Tarhi shravanadi vyatirekena api prajapater jnanam syat ityashankya. So then, without shravanadi also, prajapati can have jnanam. Ityashankya. Vedanta shravana manana nididhyasananancha sakshat jnaya vishayatvat. Ashakar, now here he doesn't say only shravanadi or something. He writes the whole thing. Vedanta shravana, Vedanta manana, Vedanta nididhyasana. Means Vedantasya shravanam, Vedantasya mananam, Vedantasya nididhyasananam cha sakshat jnaya vishayatvat. This is the sakshat jnaya vishaya. Jneo Vishayo Yesham Vedanta Shravana Mana Nididhyasananam. Vedanta Shravana Mana Nididhyasanam, they have this Brahma, which is the Jnaya, as their Vishaya, or Jiva Brahma Aikya as their Vishaya. Means when I do Vedanta Shravanam also, I should keep in mind the Pratipadya Vishaya here is Jiva Brahma Aikya. When I do Vedanta Shravanam and I start thinking, oh, so there is a story of Janak Maharaj and there is Yagnavalkya, what kind of Gurukula they had in that century, and how so many cows, so each cow must be giving how much milk, so how many students were. That is not the Pratipadya Vishaya of Vedanta. People can write a thesis on all unnecessary subjects within Vedanta, or they will take within Vedanta, Upasanas are also given. Those Upasanas are not Mukhya Vishaya. And on that, this Ashwamedha Upasana, etc. is shown, or Agni Upasana. And just go on discussing things which are all irrelevant. That is not the topic of Vedanta. Even Srishti Prakriya, etc. is not the topic. Jiva Brahma Aikya, this side I should not lose when I do Vedanta Shravana. In other words, When I am doing Vedanta Shravanam, constantly I should remember they are trying to tell me I am Brahma and I am not getting this point, and I am trying to think I am some Karta, I am some Bhokta, I am going through so many life experiences, I am Dukhi, etc. And Vedanta is telling me I am Brahma. So the whole objective should be in correcting my misunderstanding. Then it is said, I am doing Vedanta Shravana. If the objective is somewhere else, thinking is something else, who are the other students in the room? Where are they sitting? And if they are present, then how they are talking, how they are not talking, what they are wearing. This is not the objective of Vedanta Shravanam. My attention goes there, that means I am not doing Vedanta Shravanam. Vedanta Shravanam is to correct my misunderstanding about myself. And if you are teaching students, then this has to be emphasized. This is same thing is about Mananam, same thing is about Nididhyasanam also. My misunderstanding is there, because of which I am Dukhi, because of which I have started this journey of Vedanta. And after the journey ends also I am in the same boat, then it is of no use. Tika. न तैर्विना ज्ञानम कस्यचिदपि स्यात् प्रजापतेस्तु जन्मांतरीय श्रवणवशात् इदानीम अनुस्मृत वाक्यात् तद उत्पत्तिरिति शेषः. तैहि विना श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासनैर्विना ज्ञानम कस्यचिदपि न स्यात्. This is a Suvarna Vakya. Nobody will have knowledge without Vedanta Shravana Manana Nididhyasana. What about that person? What about that person? Janmantariya Shravana. If we don't see Hetu now, but if we see Phala, actually speaking, nobody can say somebody is Jivan Mukta or not. But if at all somebody wants to claim, they say if Karya is there, Karanam also should be there. If not in this life, in Purva Janma. If not in Purva, Purva se Purva Janma. But it has to be there. This tells me there is Ananyatha Siddhatvam of Vedanta Shravana Manan Nididhyasanam. Without, just like Mrid Sattve, Ghata Sattva. Mrid Abhave, Ghata Abhava. If clay is there, then only pot will be formed. There is no discussion in creating pot if I don't have clay. Clay pot if I want to make. In the same way, Dukkha Nivritti I want, I need Vairagya. This one topic we saw already. Second is, I need Vedanta Shravana Manan Nididhyasana. If somebody says, can I do this? You say, forget about Dukkha Nivritti, go do whatever you want. Only this much. There is no other discussion. Dukkha Nivritti you want, you have to have the sadhana. I don't want to have sadhana, forget about Dukkha Nivritti. So this and Vairagya. These two things I have to have. Tarhi, 6 number tippani is here. Prajapatehe Shravanadi Purvaka Jnanangikare. In that case, Tarhi means in that case where we have accepted that if Prajapati got Jnanam, it is always Shravanadi Purvakam. Shravanadi Purvaka Jnanangikare. श्रद्धादिकमपि प्रतिबंधक निवर्तकत्वेन प्रजापतेः आदरणीयम्. then Shraddhadikam also, they are also Pratibandhaka Nivartaka. Pratibandhaka Nivartakatvena Prajapatehe Adaraniyam. तन्निवृत्तिमन्तरेण ज्ञानोत्पत्ति अनुपपत्तेः इत्याशंक्याः. तन्निवृत्तिमन्तरेण, तन् तत्पद से व्हाट इज दी तत्? प्रतिबंधक. प्रतिबंधक निवृत्तिमन्तरेण ज्ञानोत्पत्ति अनुपपत्तेः. If pratibandha nivritti is not done, jnana utpatti will never happen. It is like I have a very wet fuel. Piece of wood is there, completely drenched in water because for 16 hours there was continuous rain, let us say. Then I say, I am going to use this for cooking. And I take it in the Annakshatra and put it in there and put the fire. As long as there is water there, that is Pratibandha for Agni. That Pratibandha, as long as it is there, Jnanotpatti, Anupapattehe, Jnanotpatti, Agni Utpatti will not happen. इति आशंक्याः. पापादि प्रतिबंध क्षये च आत्ममनसोर भूतार्थ ज्ञान निमित्त स्वाभाव्यात् ज्ञानम उत्पद्यते पुंसाम क्षयात् पापस्य कर्मणः. दिस इज ए प्रसिद्ध स्मृति. ज्ञानम उत्पद्यते पुंसाम क्षयात् पापस्य कर्मणः. ज्ञान उत्पत्ति will take place when papa karma kshaya takes place. That itself Bhashyakar has given here in prose. Jnanam utpadyate pumsam. Kshayat papasya karmanaha. So papadi pratibandhak kshaye cha atmamanaso और भूता आत्ममनसो हो भूतार्थ ज्ञान निमित्त स्वाभाव्यात्. When papadi pratibandhak kshay happens, then what happens? Atmamanasoho bhutartha jnana nimitta. Atmamanasoho bhutartha jnana nimitta swabhavyat. That is given in Tika, it is explained. Atmamanasor mithaha sanyuktayoho sambandhi yat papam. Between Atma and mind, there is no sambandha. There is no association. But because of adhyasa, Atma which is nirvishesha and mind which is pramata. Between nirvishesha Atma and pramata, this sambandha takes place. Either you say pramata or karana, because of which I get the bhranti, I am pramata. That adhyasa is there, and then whatever papa is done by mind, I understand it is in me. Whatever raga, dvesha are there in mind, I understand they are in me. So, unless that adhyasa is broken, that mutual sambandha is broken, I will never feel I am free. That adhyasa is anartha hetu. Anartha all comes out of this adhyasa. Its nivritti is only from Atmaikatva Vidya. Bhashyakar in Adhyasa Bhashya says, Asya anartha hetu prahanaya Atmaikatva Vidya Pratipattaye Sarve Vedantaha Arabhyante. Vedanta is only for this purpose, to break this Atmamana connection. See Tika, Atmamanasor mithaha. Mithaha means parasparam. संयुक्तयोः संबंधी यत् पापम तत्कार्यं च रागादि. So whatever papa is there, because of which, or vasanas are there, because of which ragadi come. Tasya, what is the definition of vasana? Purvapara यदादानं प्रपंचस्य वासना सप्रकीर्तिता. Hmm. दृढ़ भावनया त्यक्त पूर्वापर विचारणम यदादानं पदार्थस्य और प्रपंचस्य वासना सा प्रकीर्तिता. Vasana means where I give up the purva apara vicharanam. What happens, what has happened, what will happen, I give up all that. And because dridha bhavana is there, that I have to do this, I have to get it, no matter what. In this way, when you get into prapancha for any padartha, this is called vasana. Then it will not let you sit quietly. So that papam tat karyam cha ragadi tasya abhed jnana utpattau pratibandhasya. These papa and the raga etc., all these vasanas, they are pratibandha in abhed jnana utpatti. Abhed jnana utpattau pratibandhasya पूर्वोक्तेन न्यायेन क्षये सति. पूर्वोक्त न्याय means all these श्रवणादि, प्रणिपातादि, श्रद्धादि etc. क्षये सति प्रजापतेः ईश्वरानुग्रहात् स्मृतवाक्यस्य परमार्थ ज्ञान उत्पत्तौ. For Prajapati, because of Ishwara Anugraha, Smritavakya, here he had already done Shravanam. Now he recollects it. Smritavakyasya. Paramartha Jnana Utpattau. When Paramartha Jnana Utpatti takes place, because of Vakya Smaranam. प्रतिबंधस्य पूर्वोक्तेन न्यायेन क्षये सति प्रजापतेर ईश्वरानुग्रहात् स्मृतवाक्यस्य परमार्थ ज्ञान उत्पत्तौ केवलस्य निमित्तत्वात्. परमार्थ ज्ञान उत्पत्तौ वाक्यस्य केवलस्य निमित्तत्वात्. महावाक्य alone is the निमित्त. तस्य आधुनिक श्रद्धादि अतिरेकेण ज्ञानोदय अपि न तद विधि वैयर्थ्यम. आधुनिक श्रद्धादि अतिरेकेण, अतिरेकेण means व्यतिरेकेण. Now in this janma for Prajapati, there was no expression of shraddha towards acharya, shraddha towards shastra or other sadhana etc. In that absence also jnana udaya happened. Na tad vidhi vayarthyam. But it is not that vidhi, vidhanam of all this is not vyartha. It is all meaningful. If you do it, you will get pratibandha nivritti. अस्माकं तद्वशादेव तदुत्पत्तेः. अस्माकं तद्वशादेव तदुत्पत्तेः. तद्वशाद, what is first तद? श्रद्धादि वशात. तद उत्पत्तेः ज्ञानम उत्पत्तेः. वाक्य तात्पर्यादि ज्ञानम सर्वेषामेव ज्ञान साधनम आचार्यादिषु पुनर्विकल्प समुच्चयौ इत्यर्थः. वाक्य तात्पर्यादि ज्ञानम, वाक्य तात्पर्य महावाक्य तात्पर्यादि ज्ञानम सर्वेषामेव ज्ञान साधनम आचार्यादिषु. Tatparya, Jnanam, etc. will come from Jnana Sadhana, like Acharya, which is Jnana Sadhani Bhuta. So 10 number Tippani, it is on Jnanam. Actually, it should be on Acharya. See where 10 number Tippani is in Tika. In Tika, not in Tippani. On Jnanam. Third last line in Tika. You cut there and put it on Acharyadishu, on A. Jnana Sadhana Acharyadishu is given, there you put. Punaha Vikalpa Samuchayau. So here Vikalpa Samuchaya is there. Vikalpa Samuchaya is for Asmakam. In our case, everything is required. In somebody's case, something is required. In some other's case, something else is required. Like the Drishtanta was Rupa Jnanam. No, Drishtanta was Rupa Jnanam. For Rupa Jnanam, Aloka is there, Mana is there, Chakshu Sannikarsha is there, all of them. Yogis don't need Aloka or Sannikarsha. Only Mana is required. For Naptanchara, Aloka is not needed. Other two are required. For us, all are required. Like that. This is called Samuchaya. Vikalpa means all are not needed. Only one or two. So Vikalpa Samuchayau. Vikalpena Samuchayana va. Sang. Vikalpaha Samuchayaha. What is said in Bhashya? Vikalpaha Vikalpa Samuchaya Gunavad. Everything is together. Nimitta Vikalpa Samuchaya Gunavad. So Vikalpa is one. अधिकारी भेदेन ज्ञान हेतुषु विकल्पे अपि तेषाम अस्मासु समुच्चयात् न श्रुति स्मृति विरोधो अस्ति इति उपसंहरति. Everything is clear in this sentence. Adhikari bhedena. So instead of blaming anything in the world, including Acharya, for jnanam not taking place, what is the main reason? Adhikari bheda. I am different adhikari, it is my problem. In this way you should understand. Adhikari bhedena jnana hetushu vikalpe api. Tesham asmasu. Tesham tesham. ज्ञान हेतूनाम. ज्ञान हेतूनाम अस्मासु समुच्चयात्. ज्ञान हेतुषु अधिकारी भेदेन विकल्पे. Adhikari bhedena samuchayat. So we are different kind of adhikari, so we need everything. Like for somebody will say, some person studies one text one time, he can start teaching. Somebody studies one text 3 times, then he'll say, now I understood what he said. Teach, you don't ask me to teach. So they are adhikari bheda. Somebody can study once, they say, yes, I can start teaching. Means in the first attempt itself, their grasping is so much, clarity is so much, and they have confidence they can enter into next level. Some cannot do. So what is the reason? You don't say, oh, that Acharya always sits with that person and teaches more. To me, he is taught less. That's why. Adhikari bheda. Punya karma, if it is there, everything will happen so easily. In the mind, if there are a lot of sankalpa, vikalpa, vikshepas going on, so adhikari bheda is the mukhya karana. And when we respect this reason, we will evolve. When I start understanding, if that person is understanding, is answering question, that person is superior to me. More punya has come. His yatra started way early. My yatra started late because I was fooling around here and there. This way, if you understand, you are evolving. If you say, how should I find more mistakes in this person who is answering more questions? How should I show that Acharya is partial toward that person? That's why this person knows more. Understand, you are further going down. These vakyas are for this purpose. So we should not show, I know why this is happening, because of this, because of that. No, I know why it is happening, because my adhikara is less. My vairagya, my shamadama, this is where I need to work. You do that, you see, if adhikara is there, Acharya will come looking for you and will say, Bhagwan has sent me here. Like they say in the case of Totapuri ji, went looking for Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So, adhikara, if it is there, everything comes. Nobody needs to worry. And see, sadhana chatushtaya nobody can take away. Other things, you have it, something can happen, it can go. Qualifications will never go. So we have to work for that. So therefore, na Shruti Smriti Virodha. Shruti Smriti Virodha means that in Shruti all these things are said, you have to have. And in this Shruti you said that Prajapati got the knowledge without anything. How it is possible? There is no Virodha. Or other Smriti Vakya like Bhagavad Gita, Shraddhavan Labhate Jnanam Tadvitti. There is no Virodha. Bhashya. Tasmat अहेतुत्वं न जातु ज्ञानस्य श्रद्धा प्रणिपातादीनाम इति श्रद्धा प्रणिपातादीनाम ज्ञानस्य अहेतुत्वं न जातु इति ज्ञानस्य अहेतुत्वं is not true. Shraddha pranipatadi are hetu. Jatu means what vibhakti is this jatu? Is avyaya. Jatu means kadachit. With this, second mantra is complete. Further, प्रजापतेर भयाविष्टत्वेन संसारांतर्भूतत्वम् उक्तम् इदानीं तत्रैव हेत्वन्तरम् आह प्रजापतेः भय आविष्टत्वेन. So Prajapati had bhayam, that was said in the previous mantra. Bhaya avishta, overpowered by bhaya. Therefore he is sansara antarbhuta. Now another hetu is given why he is Prajapati samsari. Tatraiva hetvantaram aha. Itascha samsara vishaya eva prajapatitvam. For this reason also prajapatitvam is samsara. Yataha sa prajapatirvai naivare me ratim. So now we have to see the mantra. Ratim na anvabhavat. Shall I go ahead and explain the mantra or tomorrow? Huh? Okay, tomorrow. Very good. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarajanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।